PSU has about 21,000 students, somewhere around 5,000 total employees, and 130 plus classrooms. So there's always a building under construction down here.
The students at Portland State are older. The average age is 26 and a half. Every time we ask students what they need in order to continue their education, they talk about flexibility. The generation of students that are going to college now, they learn in these hybrid formats, and if we don't provide it, they'll go where it is provided.
I think this type of different modalities is here to stay, because now students are planning their classes around their life more than, their life around their classes.
The kind of conversation really started coming up of what's next. So how are we going to make these rooms available for what we're calling the attend anywhere modality? How do we make these rooms available for flexibility? How do we future-proof them?
When you're coming into a classroom or a conference room, you just want it to work, right? You don't want to have to figure it out. That's one of the things that is really great about what we've deployed here on our campus. In terms of conference space, lots of great activity happening on the administrative side of the house. We're using the Logitech whiteboard camera. That makes it really easy for the remote participants and the on-premise folks. It's cost effective, we can move quickly, easy to use.
By putting Logitech taps in a lot of our spaces, the meetings there, it's tied into our Google calendaring system and you just hit it and go. Some of them use Logitech Scribes and some of them use Rally Bars, Rally Bar Minis.
Maybe you can't make it into the office that day, but with the remote capabilities and high quality capabilities, you can be there.
We are preparing our students for the working world where they're going to have to be engaging with people in the room and on the screen.
As a working student, I noticed most of my peers were also working. Hybrid learning helped us a lot with flexibility and with our schedules.
This is going to help me doing remote jobs in the future to get acquainted with the technology.
We're going to create this really flexible and awesome experience for our students so that they can be successful and that they can get to graduation because we've provided opportunities that meet their needs and meet them where they're at.